So in this video I want to show you where your Schlage lock battery is, the kind of battery it uses, and how to replace the batteries if you want to do so. Okay, so quickly let's go to the interior assembly. Alright, so for this Schlage lock model, the Schlage FE595, to replace the batteries, what you want to do is to remove some screws here and here. So you want to get a screwdriver. Okay, so hold the lock. And now let's remove the screws. Okay, so now you can pull this out, the interior cover. Okay, so here's the battery right here, and you can see this lock uses 9-volt battery, so you can remove it this way. Okay, and if you want to replace your batteries, you need to disconnect it here. Okay, right here, so you can take your battery out. And if you want to get your new battery in, you can get it in this way. Okay, then connect it. Okay, make sure you connect it properly. Now you can replace the interior cover. Okay, make sure this thumb turn is this way. Alright, so make sure this thumb turn is this way when replacing the cover. Okay, so that's where to find the battery on your Schlage Keypad lock, and that's how to replace it if you want to do so. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please consider subscribing to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.